In this video, we'll show you how to download TikTok videos without watermark for free. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, let's open TikTok and copy any random videos. Let's try this one. Keep in mind that you can still download the video in TikTok app by clicking Save Video. But the problem is, after the download is done, it has watermark floating everywhere. So in order to download the original video without watermark, just copy the link and open any browser. Go to TikTokio.com. Please bear in mind that the ads are everywhere since this is a free website. So now let's paste the link, then click the download button below. After fetching its content, you will see the preview of the content you are about to download. There are options of what type of file you want to download. Let's choose download without watermark with a high definition quality. Tap it. Ads are popping. Just close it anyway. Then you can see below the file. It's now ready to download. Click download. After done downloading, let's open the file, or you can just go to your library. Now it's downloaded. As you can see, it is high quality and without watermark. By the way, it has sound. I just muted it in this video. So that's all. If you find this video useful, then please leave as a like. God bless.